Hi, I'm Danny. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the sunroof leak or moonroof leak. So if you're getting water where your headliner is, it may not be that outside seal. These things have sunroof drains, and if they get plugged, there's nowhere for that water to go except in your headliner. Let me show you how to check that and clean them out if necessary. Let's get started. So on this car, I have a drain hole here, and then there's one on the other side. The way you check these, you just want to make sure they're not plugged. So look for leaves and stuff like that in here. And then you can also just take a little bit of water and then pour it right in this area. And that should drain right into that drain right there. So as long as it drains, then your drain isn't plugged. If you need to clean out your drain, you'll need to get like a little wire brush, or you can even use compressed air. So if you're going to use air pressure, which is probably the easiest way to do this, you want to have low air pressure and just go into the drain hole and just do probably 8 to 10 psi, blow it through. And you can actually feel the air going through the other end. If the air doesn't work and it's still plugged, you can pick up something like this from Amazon. And this, just stick that into that hole. And just keep going in, coming out, going in, coming out. And then just go down to the bottom. And that should clear out that hose also. I don't have a problem with mine. I'm just kind of showing you guys how to do it if you have a sunroof leak, and it's probably not the seal. It's just water getting in there and your drain's plugged, and then the water just comes out onto your headliner here. I hope you learned something in today's video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.